Good morning, class 4 students. Alright, let us continue from where I have left off last week. Now we will start with vitamins. Alright, vitamins keeps us healthy by protecting us from various diseases. There are many kinds of vitamins which help different parts of our bodies like the eyes, gums, nerves and skin to work properly. Vitamins are needed in small quantities, but they are essential for good health. Oranges, carrots, tomatoes, eggs, and milk are rich sources of vitamins. Alright, so apart from the other nutrients that I have mentioned in the last class, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, we also need vitamins. Why do we need vitamins? Because vitamins also keeps our body healthy and it protects us from diseases. So there are various kinds of vitamins and each vitamin is needed by different parts of our body. All right, one type of vitamin may be needed by our eyes. Another type of vitamin may be needed by our gums, nerves, like that, all right, and so on. So, vitamins they are needed in small quantities, not like carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Vitamins they are needed in only small quantities because they are essential for having a good health. So, some of the food items that are rich in vitamins are oranges, carrots, tomatoes, eggs, and milk. These food they are rich sources of vitamins. Now let us see what are the different vitamins that we can find. Vitamins are named as vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K. All right. So what are they? What are the vitamins that we can find? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So remember, these are your different types of vitamins. Now, vitamin D is made in our body with the help of sunlight. The sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D. So, where do we get vitamin D? Vitamin D is the only source of vitamin that we get from the sun. We do not get from the food that we eat, but we get from the sun. So if our body is exposed, that means if we sit under the sun for a long period of time, our body will get vitamin D. So sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D. Okay. Next is minerals. Minerals also play a vital role in keeping us healthy and fit. They help in the formation of teeth, bones, and blood. For example, calcium helps in the formation of bones and teeth. Iron is needed to form blood. So minerals is also very important for our body. Why? Because it keeps us healthy and fit the same way like the other nutrients do. So even minerals is needed for our body. What is the function of minerals in our body? They help in the formation of teeth, bones and blood. So if you take in minerals, they will help to form teeth, to make your teeth strong, to make your bones strong, and also to make blood in your body. Now, for example, calcium helps in the formation of bones and teeth. Iron is needed to form blood. So, one very important mineral is calcium. So, if you take in calcium, if you take in food that is rich in calcium, they will help in the formation of bones and teeth. Why? Because your teeth and your bones are made out of calcium. They need calcium. And also, blood requires iron. So, if you take food that is rich in iron, it will help in the formation of blood. All right. Minerals like calcium, potassium, sodium, iodine, and iron are needed in small quantities by different parts of our body. We get minerals from fresh fruits, milk, vegetables, etc. Food items that are rich in vitamins and minerals are called protective foods. Now, these are some of the minerals that are mentioned here. They are calcium, potassium, sodium, iodine, and iron. All these minerals are needed only in small quantities, all right? And they are needed by different parts of our body. Like I told you, our bones and our teeth, they need calcium. Our blood, it needs iron. So calcium, potassium, sodium, iodine, and iron, all these minerals, they are needed by different parts of our body. Not the same not the same mineral is needed by all parts of our body. No, it's not like that. It's one mineral is needed by one part of the body, and another type of mineral is needed by another type of, by other parts of our body. We get minerals from fresh fruits, milk, vegetables, etc. So, where do we get minerals from? We also get minerals from fresh fruits and fresh vegetables. Now, food items that are rich in vitamins and minerals are called protective foods. Now, always remember that food items that are rich in vitamins and minerals are called protective food. Now, what is protective food? If I ask you what is protective food, you will say that food items that are rich in vitamins and minerals are called protective food. All right, next is water. Why do we also need water in our diet? Why do we need water in our diet? Water is a very important part of our diet. It helps in regulating the body temperature, digesting food, and removing wastes from the body. It also helps the body to absorb the nutrients properly. We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. So now we see that water is also important for our diet. It helps in regulating the body temperature. It means that it helps in maintaining the body temperature, in the temperature of our body. All right. It helps in maintaining the correct temperature of our body, and it helps in digesting the food. Suppose now after we eat and we do not drink water, the food will not be well digested. So, in order for your food to be well digested, you always have to drink lots and lots of water. And it also helps in removing wastes from the body. So, if you take in water, if you drink lots of water, it will help in the digestion of food and also in removing of waste from your body, because it cleans out your whole body so that there will be proper functioning, proper digestion in your body, proper functioning of your body. Now, it also helps to absorb the nutrients properly. So, whenever you take in water, the water will mix with the food, and that way the food in your stomach will be easily absorbed by your body. Okay? And so, the nutrients also that is mixed with the water will be easily absorbed by your body. So we should drink how many glasses of water every day? We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Remember that we should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Now next is roughage. Roughage. Now what is roughage? Roughage is a fiber present in fruits and vegetables. It helps in retaining the water from the food we eat and also helps the body to get rid of waste. It is necessary for proper functioning of the digestive system. Skin of fruits like apples, guavas, pears have a lot of fiber. Such fruits should not be peeled. They should be eaten without removing the skin. Now first let us see that What is roughage? Roughage is a fiber. A fiber means the food that cannot be digested by our body. Roughage is that type of food that cannot be digested. It is undigested. Okay, that type of food is called a fiber. Now that food, it is present in fruits and vegetables. Now the undigested food that cannot be that is present in fruits and vegetables, that is called a fiber. It helps in retaining the water from the food we eat and also helps the body to get rid of waste. So it helps in retaining the water. It means that it helps to store the water in the body, to maintain the water, to prevent loss of water in the body. So roughage helps to store the water in the body, to maintain the water in the body. All right, and it also helps to get rid of waste the same way like water does. Even water helps in removing waste from the body, and also roughage helps in getting rid of the waste from our body. It is necessary for proper functioning of the digestive system. So if we take in roughage, if we eat food that has roughage, it helps in the proper functioning of the digestive system. Digestive system means your stomach, your intestine, all the parts of the body that deals with digestion. So that is your digestive system. Skin of fruits like apples, guavas, pears have a lot of fiber. Such fruits should not be peeled, they should be eaten without removing the skin. So these fruits that have been mentioned here, like apples, guavas, pears, they have lots of fiber. They have lots of fiber in them, in their skin. So whenever we eat these fruits, we should not peel the skin, but we should eat them with the skin because it has roughage. And this roughage is important for what? It is important for proper functioning of the digestive system, to maintain the in retaining the water in the body, and then also to get rid of waste. So these are your vitamins, minerals, and water and roughage. Why are these also important for your body? So next class I will continue with another topic. For now, you watch this video and you mark down, remember the important points in this video. All right, now thank you and stay safe.